Oh, welcome to my channel. We're gonna do this soft glam look. Look at that girl. She is glowing. So you guys, I just came back from Cancun and I'm really nicely tan. I did get a sunburn and I'm starting to peel. So I'm gonna use my 40 Cure cream from Lime Life. Now this is a cream that you must have in your household all year. But come summertime for sunburns, this is definitely something you really want to have. It's a hydrating moisturizer, but I use this for my face as well. So definitely look into that if you guys are interested. So of course, moving on, we're going to be using my palette from Lime Life. This is my foundation that I rave about. It is our wax-based foundation. This does not clog your pores. It literally mimics your natural skin. I know the lighting is a little bright because that room is really dark for some reason. I think I need to change the wall coloring because the blue really makes it dark. So I'm really wanting to probably like a light gray. But anyways, that's another subject. So I'm going to go ahead and just pounce this all over my face. Now remember, this is super pigmented versus your drugstore foundation. So a little goes a long way, as well as your concealer. Now, I just love applying my concealer. I don't know why this part is very satisfying to me, the blending it out. So this is our concealer from Lime Life as well. As you guys have heard me say in the past, this is definitely waterproof, smudge proof. So come summertime, when I'm out on the lake, on the boat, this is what I use to cover my imperfections on my face. Next, we're going to go ahead and set it all in with our translucent powder from Lime Life. Now, with this powder, there is no flashback when taking photos, so you don't have that look on your under eyes like, you know what I mean, on some powders, there's that flashback. There is zero with this one. And so of course, you got to make sure to blend out the creases before applying your guys's setting powder. I mean, everybody knows that, so I shouldn't have to even say so, but this, I mean, like, okay, just no words. It looks beautiful. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. Now, this is a little travel size brush that I got on one of the holiday collections from Lime Life. So I always take that one with me when I travel or we're going out of town. I don't like a lot of foundation on my forehead. I don't know why. So I always like to make sure I have very minimal on my forehead and have it completely blended out. So that's what you were seeing me do is I felt like I had too much, so I took some off. So this is it. Now I'm going to go ahead and just, warm up the face. This one here is our bronzer from Lime Life as well. No, this one is, yeah, it is. No, this is our facial powder. I'm sorry. From Lime Life. So, I mean, it just goes to show the different tones that we have for our skincare complexion. So this is actually a facial powder. This is not one of our, bronzers. This is actually a facial powder, and I like it because it gives me just enough of that warmth to my face without overdoing it. So I went ahead and applied my lashes. I'm not gonna do any blush today. It's just gonna be, a little bit of mascara, which is, this is our waterproof. So this one does not smudge because my lower lashes are long, and so usually in the past when it touches my skin, it always smudges if I'm busy and, just the warmth of my body. And then I'd have the smudge marks underneath. But I'm going to go ahead and apply some waterproof mascara from Lime Life as well. Look at this. Boom. So we went ahead and diffused our hair a little bit. It's still a little wet, but this is just about 60-70% dried. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my highlighter. This is the one that you guys, girl, where have you been all my life? Baby, don't be so mean. I love this highlighter. Like, I'm really going to have to just stock up on this because this is my favorite all-time highlighter. This one's the pink one in Lucky Charm. It is so pretty. Like, yes, I cannot get enough of it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply. This is our new lip gloss from Lime Life. Look at the pretty, like, it's got enough of a little bit of a shimmer to it. I just love everything about our lip glosses. So this here is dark nude and our lip liner from Lime Life as well. I'm going to go ahead and just shade in my entire lips. And then I'm going to just apply that lip gloss. So with our lip liner, it's really convenient because inside the lid, you put the lid on and you twist it and it sharpens the pencil within the lid. It's awesome. Like, it's really convenient. So look at how pretty this lip gloss is. Oh, makes my lips look juicy. My husband better not be like, give me a kiss. No. Look at that. We're going to have to just zoom in a little bit on this because this is, okay. Say what? This lip gloss is beautiful. This is definitely going to be my go-to come summertime, for sure. So this is the final look. I love a very soft, glammed look. You don't have to do much to make yourself feel good. And I am feeling myself today. Go, Ruby.